Hello everyone. My name is Yosita Khoshampu. I am an industrial engineering and smart logistics system student.
My name is Ganitha Yumnafu. I am a chemical engineering student.
Today we will present about natural latex glove vs allergenic protein glove. Today Thailand has a potential to produce rubber glove for export, ranking second in the world, with a market share of over 18% of the world's total export value. In 2020, Thailand exported rubber gloves worth as much as 72,680 million baht. And due to the COVID-19 breakout situation, as a result, the demand for rubber gloves around the world is increasing. This positive impact on Thailand rubber industry, especially rubber glove factory, that are currently expanding their production capacity and have increased demand for concentrate latex. It is expected that during 2020 to 2027, the world rubber glove market value will continue to expand by an average for 12.6% per year.
A type of growth. First is medical growth, second is industry growth, and the third is household growth. Nowadays, rubber grows more widely used. There are uses for many purposes, but its main purpose is to protect the various hands, both from toxins, various chemical and solution. Today's rubber gloves are available in many sizes, and textures, including loose and smooth surface, which gives different physical and chemical properties that is for various purposes of use, especially in the medical field and industry. The gloves are thin and fit snugly in the hand. Let's get started. The medical glove. Medical rubber gloves, they are thin, firm, and flexible than other types of rubber gloves. They can be divided into two types. First, rubber glove for surgery. This type of rubber glove popularly used in surgery. Its distinctive characteristic are high thinness and high flexibility. But there is length to elbow. It is stated that it has been 100% sterilized. It can be used only once and then discarded.
Second type, glove for disease examination. This kind of rubber glove popular for using in general disease examinations. Its distinctive feature is that it is very thin and compact, but it's shorter than the surgical type, being only the length for the wrist, but it can be used only once and then discarded as well, which is popularly product from natural latex. Okay, today I will talk about natural latex gloves. What are latex gloves? Rubber gloves made from natural rubber are characterized by flexibility and durability. Not easy torn therefore. They are commonly used as a medical rubber gloves. Are at present, rubber glove manufacturers are increasingly switching to use natural latex as a raw material for production because it is cheaper than synthetic rubber. Material for this one, rubber gloves are made from natural latex, as known as NR latex or rubber, taken through a production process with added chemicals through dipping into the latex compound in the mold, which is process of coating a latex film onto a hand mold. Advantage for this type: highly flexible, have a good ventilation, and can be used for a long time if not allergic. And last one is able to decompose naturally. And disadvantage: natural latex generally contain approximately 1% protein by weight. Taking natural latex to produce rubber gloves involves a process of which washing a protein from a rubber gloves. However, in practice, it is not possible to wash away all of the protein, and there are still residual protein with molecular size in a range of 4.7 to 115 kilodalton, such as HEVB1, HEVB5, and HBV 6.02. This protein causes allergic reaction among users of natural rubber glove products.
The next one is allergenic protein growth. What is allergenic protein? It is a protein that triggers an allergic reaction in some individuals. This reaction can range from mild symptoms like itching and sneezing to severe reactions such as anaphylaxis. What are allergenic protein growth? It's a raw protein natural rubber growth. It's a natural rubber growth product that the latex and rubber materials research team has researched and developed to reduce the amount of protein that causes allergies. The next one is materials. First, raw protein natural rubber, low ash and nitrogen content. Second, distilled water to 30% DRC. Third, sodium lauryl sulfate, 0.4% weight by volume, and the largest alkali enzyme, 0.2 pHr. Advantage: people who are allergic to protein can use it. Second, high state and durability. Third, suitable for work in industrial plants. And the last one is disadvantage. It's thinner than natural rubber growth and the price very high.
And today we have some video that the process of how to make a glove to show you guys.
Around the world, healing hands wear rubber gloves to stop the spread of germs and save lives. To make them, they need a lot of hands, the kind made from ceramic or aluminum. They'll serve as molds. They need to remove residue from the last rubber glove production, so they do a thorough washing in soapy water, and then in bleach. They must remove every speck of residue, because even the smallest contaminant could lodge in the latex rubber gloves and create holes. The ceramic hands twirl into round revolving brushes. Their bristles scour the surface and the hard-to-reach areas between the ceramic fingers. After this thorough scrubbing, the hand molds dive into a tub of hot water. As they exit the tub, the hands swivel on the rail carrier to drip dry. The hand molds head into a chemical bath, which forms a film on the surface. It's a critical coating because liquid rubber won't adhere to bare ceramic, but it will to this substance. The ceramic molds now reach into warm liquid rubber, which has been enhanced for extra strength. Coated with the rubber gel, the hands spin to shake off any drops as they head into an oven. Under intense heat, the rubber dries to the hand form. After a wash and dry, the gloves spin through brushes, which roll up the cuffs. This cuff roll, called the bead, has a specific purpose. It makes it easier to pull the rubber glove off the mold. Workers grab the gloves by the beads to peel them off the ceramic forms. These particular medical gloves were molded from synthetic rubber for people who can't wear natural latex rubber due to allergies. These synthetic rubber gloves are a bit stickier than the natural latex ones, and they must be removed by hand. However, the natural latex gloves come off much more easily. Bursts of pressurized air blow these gloves off the ceramic forms. At a test station, a worker now stretches and inflates each medical glove to check for weak spots and holes. They take a sample glove from every batch and pump water into it, again checking for leaks. If the sample glove is watertight, they approve the entire batch for shipment. They pack them up in batches of 100. A cornstarch solution applied earlier keeps them from sticking together in the box. Later, that starch will also act as a lubricant to allow the gloves to slide easily onto hands.
And that's it for today. Thank you.
Thank you.